Just like keyboards have become a favorite among gamers and typists for their responsiveness, zero-turn lawnmowers have surged in popularity with homeowners who want precision, speed, and efficiency in yard maintenance. Zero-turn mowers. List 1. The Ariens IKON 5223 HP Kawasaki zero-turn mower is a powerful machine designed for homeowners who want professional-grade performance. Its 23 HP Kawasaki FRV twin-engine delivers exceptional reliability and smooth operation. The 52-inch fabricated steel deck covers large areas quickly while ensuring durability and precision cutting. With its zero-turn capability, it easily maneuvers around obstacles, reducing mowing time. Comfort is also prioritized with a high-back padded seat and armrests, making long mowing sessions less tiring. The mower's hydrostatic transmission provides smooth control, while adjustable cutting heights allow for a tailored finish. This model is perfect for medium to large yards and offers outstanding performance. List 2. Repeat listing, the Ariens IKON 52-inch Kawasaki zero-turn mower deserves a second mention simply because of its reputation in the zero-turn category. With its powerful engine, sturdy deck, and user-focused comfort features, it stands out as a reliable option for homeowners and professionals alike. Its design ensures efficiency, durability, and operator comfort, which are key reasons it's one of the most popular choices in residential zero-turn mowers. List 9. The Mowrator Remote Control Lawnmower S1 brings innovation to lawn care with its fully remote-controlled operation. Powered by a 56V 18 amp-hour lithium battery, it provides impressive runtime and eco-friendly performance without gas or emissions. Its four-wheel drive traction system allows it to tackle uneven terrain, slopes, and tougher conditions that traditional mowers may struggle with. The remote control design means you can mow safely from a distance, making it ideal for difficult or hazardous areas. With a compact but durable build, it's surprisingly powerful for its size. This mower is perfect for those who want cutting-edge technology in lawn care, offering both convenience and safety while still delivering efficient results. List 4. The Ego Power Plus electric riding lawn mower is a game-changer in the zero-turn category, combining eco-friendly design with professional performance. Its 42-inch cutting deck is paired with a 56V battery system, offering power comparable to gas mowers without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. The zero-turn radius provides excellent maneuverability, making it easy to navigate around flower beds, trees, and landscaping. It also features LED lights, a comfortable seat, and user-friendly controls. With fast charging and long runtime, it's a fantastic option for eco-conscious homeowners who want a modern, low-maintenance alternative to gas-powered zero-turn mowers. This mower is best suited for medium-sized yards where precision and efficiency are essential. List 5. The Husqvarna Z254F zero-turn mower is built for performance and durability. Equipped with a 23 horsepower Kawasaki engine, it delivers powerful, smooth mowing while handling larger lawns with ease. Its 54-inch fabricated steel deck provides wide coverage and long-lasting durability. The mower's zero-turn design allows for quick, precise maneuvers, cutting mowing time significantly. Comfort is not overlooked with a high-back seat, ergonomic controls, and anti-slip foot area for a secure experience. The air induction mowing technology lifts grass for a cleaner, more consistent cut, ideal for homeowners with large lawns. The Husqvarna Z254F balances power, durability, and ease of use, making it a top contender in the zero-turn mower market.